Hey, it's Sgt Locksmith, and we're going to do a real quick bonus video for your Key Tool Max or your Key Tool Max Pro. You plug it in to charge it and it doesn't want to charge. Before you do anything, if you got a fast charge cable or a fast charger, make sure you turn around and try an older charger or plug it into the computer on a slow charge. I've had this issue that the power cable doesn't want to charge. I plugged that one in. You've seen it powered up. Plug this one in. And it powers up as well. Now, with that being said, if you got a new cable, that could be an issue, or it could be your power step down. So, hey, if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Sgt Locksmith for more automotive locksmith help. And remember, let's be safe out there.